we go, Christmas morning. Okay.
Alright, you got the video going?
You got it going.
Okay.
And release the Kraken.
I'm ready. Get set. Go! Let's go! There's the Kraken.
Yeah, don't you always say that?
Oh my goodness! Where'd your stocking go?
I don't know.
Look around. Look around. Look over there. Look at all of that. Did you get your car maker?
Yes.
Oh, that's so awesome. What did you get, sweetheart?
What did you get?
Cutler. Let's see
Shark
that.
slippers. Woo.
You gonna put on your shark slippers right now? Hey, let's see what Santa brought for Tatum.
What did Tatum get?
Look at this.
Tatum. Let's see what's in yours.
This is for Tatum's.
What is
Whoa.
You got a candy cane.
Oh, great. Start that already, huh?
Good job, Santa.
Yeah.
That's all she needed.
And you have a present?
Yeah.
Whoa. That just sets up the whole stuff.
I know. You must have had to really stuff it in there, huh? Should we open this one? Do you want to see what's in your stocking? What did I get from Santa?
I got a monkey.
That's what she got.
With cars? What's in it?
Nice, some candies.
What do you think those cars are for?
What are those cars for?
My Hot Wheel track.
Mm-hmm.
And one's a helicopter.
Yeah. Hitler, what are you standing on?
What are you standing on there?
The track.
Oh my gosh, how does that work?
Okay.
Oh,
Ooh, it
maybe
has
that.
cars in it.
Yeah, they're little tiny ones. Oh, that's undone down there. What do you think?
Watch this.
Oh,
I
Mandy.
wonder if you have to, maybe you have to push this one first. Try this one, see if they'll charge up.
Oh, yeah.
My.
Oh, look at that.
Oh my, let's give him, wait, give him a minute. Let's let him charge up. Somebody's gonna love that besides Keller.
I think Tim's gonna wreck him.
Let's go.
Okay, let him go.
Whoa, whoa, whoa.
Oh my gosh. Uh-oh, got stuck.
Mandy, it's stuck under the bridge.
Oh, you
Never mind.
gotta push.
Let's see who wins the race.
Oh, the only other one's stuck.
Oh, it is.
Stuck under the bridge.
Mario helping.
Mandy, both stuck.
Push down on
Yes. The whole entire
I just need to slide
one.
that track over.
The whole
They
entire
both
one.
won?
They both won. I didn't set the thing right.
Oh.
Oh, that's
cool.
so cool. Race him again.
So I do it again?
Sure.
Okay. What does this do? It looks like
It's amazing. You get charged up on that little thing.
it looks like you have to say how many cars are racing right here.